Let's make a Hello World API. We open our favorite IDE, VS Code. We connect to Raspberry Pi over SSH. We enter the password, wait for it. Okay, it's connected. Let's open the folder of the app, which is here. Home directory, WaziApp-gateway /apps /WaziApp /Hello World Go. We need to prepare the app for the development. Let's open the Docker Compose file, which is docker-compose.yml, and uncomment this line, which builds the container in the developer mode. Let's save it. When we want to save this file, it says that we don't have enough permissions to store the file. This happens because App Manager uses another user to operate. So let's quickly fix it. We open terminal and change the ownership of this folder to the current user, which is Pi. So we just type sudo chown pi -r and dot. Okay, now we are the owner of this folder, so let's save the file. Let's build the container with a new configuration. We go to the terminal window and build it with this command, docker-compose build. It takes a while. Now the container is built with a new configuration. Let's start it by writing docker-compose up-d. We use this -d in order to run it in the background because we need the terminal and we don't want any disturbing messages on terminal. So, okay, now it's running. As we see here, the current directory is mapped to the container on the path /go/src. That means if we modify or create any file in the current directory, it is accessible from inside the container on that path. Okay, let's get inside the container and run our code. We use docker exec command this way, docker exec -it to have it interactive, then container name, which is the app name, then sh. It gives a shell access to the container, and we can ironically say that we are inside the container. So we see the files are the same as the files on the host because they're mapped. Let's open the file main.go. At the end of the file, I put a comment where we can just compile and build our Go project. It's very simple. Let's copy and run it. It's go build -o start dot. This is to build the file, and then I use $&, then ./start in order to run the code after successful build. Okay, it is compiling the code and now it's running. Now we go to the browser and we see the app is working. Each app actually runs its UI in an inline frame in the main UI, so we can just open this inline frame in order to refresh it easier. It's just easier for development. Here if we write a /time, we can see it calls the time API and shows the result here. In order to make a simple API to handle a GET request, we just make a copy of this line and then change the API path to hello and change the name of the function to, let's say, get hello. Now let's go down and make a copy of the entire time function. Let's change it to get hello. We don't need these lines. Let's remove them. I just want a function that outputs a hello world message. Alright, so we go to the terminal, stop the current program by pressing Ctrl C, and then build it and run it again. Oops, we got an error here. Golang is picky about optimization. Let's comment this line out and make Go happy. Okay, let's rebuild it, run it, and now it's running. Let's go to the browser and test our app. Because it's a GET API, we can just invoke it by putting in the browser address bar. So we just remove a /time and write a /hello. And we see the hello world happy message.